Since it's coming down today to perform a miracle for you and I. Let me say, I'm a tamnana. Send me bonia shamima. Very far from the mercy, but she give him the opportunity to worship your majesty to eternity, to the Holy Trinity. Angels are singing, seraphim and cherubim. Oh, kutu, nenya me Adam nana. Mesuma kutu ni bio, me poni dindo. Namakase igwe na mesaksido. Amma yanchuwa igwe na mesaksido. Igwe na mesaksido. Enya. Igwe na mesaksido. Above, be quiet those below. Yeshua HaMashiach is coming down today. Send Janin is a send Kuba for Dinechi. The Binsu Dinenim, unbreakable, he didn't.
Way a Joyce blessing. Boko and fashion count. I don't know. All right, bringing time to 333. Yes, 33 after 3. Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Good afternoon. I do believe say oh yeah. Then so me ho yeah. Team ni na obi ahoye nyame adom ti. Tie nyina yen kamom ne na rade ase. Won pempen so odi edri. Na ye ka say free sabe kwa akopem se bebo anwumre no nsia na ye de kase bo abre ono. E pa cho Ofie Kwanso na ebre aso yi. Eno ana eguso a etwago yi. Baby bia obi a betimi a join ye. Our Facebook Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. This is a HBI your room now video of the day no. Yeah, videos of our time yeah bro. And the video bay and I show. Yeah, the ebe bros is here. Your friend Jerry Justice. Papa Bills wa sound so and James Star Jeko so kan ho ha. And there we is. Rasta ho make akra. You see we mo ehudi e mani bebre. Chichem we bubu tot. And abena mo bema menso wan. Said e been about 2 days no matter 2 days. Say come so sao. Ben nani o china. Ade chene na de chene ma ho me na right. Hey, de ko be ni ba. Anyways, it's you go so aye koye nim. We sabe ko pem se be bo ni no nsia. It is said the MD kan de to wani no. Ye ba be hwe na videos of our time. Yeah, they are bro. Now, and that video bang and I show. Man in Cosson Daya. Now, a room. Oh, Facebook no so. Now, Ubo room. One swab of Modiana or the Wodiaba. And I say, A be our drink, she be for one. No, so no. Yet, me who never feel so. BB or a and the video we see in our channel. Now, your carbon near channel, pepe. Into videos of our time and the brand national proudly brought to us by JK Products, JK Company Limited, and then Nataraj, Amadama no Mukremu, and I day videos of our time, bro. Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. For today, Thursday, the 4th of February, 2021. Okay. It's about make sure bra Facebook was here now and that video no and yeah check videos of our time yeah born to here now yeah and sefiu and adwuma bebre o ya say yin na ya fan to so tentem na yen kwa ni pacho join me say here on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook and let's share the video together videos of our time and there no na yin na yen hwe na yen ka ho asem. Now, what we need access to Facebook said they are da mekano no. wo no mebo wura wa dream so ati ase na ma maw a vivid explanation into the video na me ba be you know oh na mabo nchiremu ti by the time me de ma no be si no na ayese de wa hwe video no pepepe no what I say nemum se aya me kade kan no sebe na banya ho tiase ni yie pa no we appreciate video ni yie no and then say we access to Facebook there it will be better say you go there and check out the video yourself no one timpacho Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook na ekohwe video no ema mesisi a na fi yenka ehom asem adaroma omo a ekrai mu ama ye the videos of our time ebrel e wo Ofie Kwanso medie so eno JK Company Limited ya wo ye sole distributors de ma Nataraj product e wo Ghana ha woni me say Nataraj fon so de e ba no stationery products na won ye hwe di kan dada pens, pencils, pencil cases, crayons, math sets, and they can come home. Nina, in fact, stationery products Nina no. Nataraj for the and papa. And the other products be Nina and Obenya EDF JK Company Limited. And new room your JK exercise books, a fake JK 5-star A4 papers, and a fake A3 papers. And the other products be no. Ya Obenya. Among for Yamia Madmo Motimia bookshops, kakra, stationery shops, CBO places no. Oba industrial area now be PMO JK Company Limited on. Or my swear on set or move to near Marqueni because a hono. Yeah, the mount a boy that from. You so call the capre to swap. Now, boy, business no etimiako ye at the amount. She JK Company Limited at Chakwan, number 60 Otublom Street, close to Christ Embassy, our North Industrial Area. Obet me afre, obet me send WhatsApp there for same number yeah so 0540 125 999 0540 125 999 na one JK Company Limited Eddie Egitown. Yeah, don't master some crash Emma ye videos of our time bro Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. I feel patcho and video no ye monrem what about Facebook wa afi betimi ahwe video na ene na ene video ma mini kan chemu nche kakra ansa na wa hwe video no medical ka say videos ni bi ho no mo a esre ye na ebe hwe ne asre a ne ade a ebia na disuade kakra bi ne afa videos ni bi ho nso a no krenya me anim ni ya na asefem ya na hadwin tie ba sa o kasa about it you do that with passion what I say and also ho and e bi on so a ba be boy kokko say ye twe ho free niam bi ho tini asua bibi de afrim and some of the videos too and a tuyeful e bi so share and crying what I say ni nyina mu no kabo mu a and the videos of our time and that dey na ye dey brel no a video a it will inspire you it pacho share sa video we ma me pa a video bi a it will inspire you. A video bia, it will encourage you. A video bia, it will motivate you to do whatever it is that you've set your mind to do. A very, very important part. Let this video speak to you. You that is down, you that is discouraged. Let this video speak to you. Share minim dia wo famu dia. But in a video we know a video bia a kasache me no mienu say it doesn't matter where we've gotten to in this life. And found said there or tamfo kra be sen adru. And found said there or brebe twa ye ma adru. And found said the assistant be din afa. Ufia banfo kra na ye wan found said the be ye wa. Se umma wani bre se ampa pese udi ye, o pese o survivor. Who person succeed here? You can succeed. I don't know, maybe out there, making you think say, oh, what they Abrabon fala. But for somebody who is listening to me now, at this time here, who hear me, who they tire now, why, who they see now, who just be baby and I say, Jagu. So one kasa kra na do point bi a wagya tum se wo de wo no you are a complete failure. Wagya tum se wo de ba bi abrabo na du na asi. There's no hope for you anymore. And then we videos of our time, video na ye you know. A video actually say there is still hope. Video no say there is still hope. And then video no say and that's all amount. You can still make it. All you need to do is to watch this video and let this video inspire you. Let this video motivate you. Let this video encourage you. Say, keep on keeping on. It shall be well with you. That's it. Yemo Rams is here. Jekofa video no to mama on Facebook no so. Na amount for a share video no. Na famous so membo nwa any access to Facebook no membo nwa ma adwum is here. Na men cheche video no enkyere mo. Na afi yena yentiase na yenkoye nim. But all access to Facebook there. Why not? Just join us on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM. Na eshe video no. As you watch this short video, a be inspire. Now this is the video. Video ni na say a beach. Empoano. And na go say fe kama. Now say na most of the beaches no. Aya be palm trees e wo ho. A coconut ana say no ya kosi wa. Kubedua no coconut trees we say ebi wo ho. Ebi wa ye efe pa na nsan ye de nyina ye style bi. Okọ sa come on Titanic beach we a. Sisi o mu dua foforo ho na ade a. Na kubedua na esisi ho no kubedua ne ba ko abu atofom. Na edua na bu atofom ama wo hwe na se na ni hini ni na ho ni hini bi kura awu bebre awu ama adane ahoma. Na edua no timi se abu atofom ache for a very long time. Ama edua na nkasa kubedua tentini mu ni na no kura no utimi se eyawu adane eja. And that form with him. And surprisingly, Kubeni Sron Essenka in Riani Bano. A honumna saya quabium. Enna Asha say produce new branches. Some say I Kubeni in my mind. Essa leaves Nasa a form for 40 Kuba yet Diana fresh. Enna Asa a free at the tail end of Honocrano. I want ni trees no. Na onipa o take video no was surprised to see say edua ye da ho a awu ada form for a very long time no. Asan free biem na kubedua foforo asan air forming out of the dead one. Na obehwe na se ho na ni ntin ni wo no ana ni hini ni wo no. Ohun say most of the roots ni na no ahye bebre na tete ahye kra ni roots ni e kan say ni hini no bebre atete. But there's some few ones be aka still are tapping into the ground, and that is what is supplying fresh leaves now. Ashasia air forming okubeno so no ama air surviving. And the person who took this video is telling us say if this coconut tree adahoya ni bebre na apopo asay na pro na few ones be aka a chef from no atimi amaduamu na da oni na no anida so ama atimi asan ahye edua foforo ase esan epie asori agina se ya e chese onipa se unyanwu ya. It doesn't matter what you are going through, the hardship, the difficulties, the challenges, the obstacles facing you in this life. It doesn't matter. You can still make it and find it baby what do in this life. Around the video no koya ko share ni roots no one baby ase na odi ne sakra fa ho tumi say ade no kra ni na ahyekra ma aho. Yet kakra na akashe form no atimi a survive eyesa kubedua yi. Edua the entire coconut tree na entimi sore nsa nyina ho biem because a buddha from team enti dia aye ne say ene Ebesan afefe e de free na no ho na nanka ho na kube na sese so no ene ho no ahyase ya pagya na agina ama ayi fresh leaves, fresh branches kama fefefe, and it is still growing. Egusu enyi minia e den ene how e den no amane e den no watete e den ene wakwanside e wo bra wo boimu. Like I said from the beginning, let this video inspire you. Maybe you've tried once, twice, more than baby, and you don't succeed. It doesn't mean that it cannot be done. It doesn't mean that you never succeed. Keep on keeping on. Kakra, 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 kakra. You will get there. Kakra, 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 kakra. It shall be well. Don't be discouraged at all. At all. My video we and show crying. My video we and mount any that's all. So once you are still living, Moja Gusu do more Fusani there is hope for you. And Kachi, you can still make it. Videos of our time. And then the Brownie, me catch you said this one will inspire you. And yet the beyond the videos a better best rate. And yeah. But we the Becca Sacho, na shown crying. Wa and nay ebia, a yo sabra bono, a new dinner no. Where yo say nay wap him, and that's when you who say, and it has one sign. O one quan out tiasi in quade, and it has what el homo. Yabeko anymore. Yet I was to say only a chess our video, that was to say Oje Brenna or share Yame own show. And then Mamin Cow said, Sir, Ope say, Udu Huni kama pa. Canene say, gentleman, say, lady, dear, so Timinia handkerchief nation. Sweat kakra beba now their paper on their michi. Ope so sneezing hitting. Now I now their geogumbo corner there. We are food in the fine show butum. Or Banswa nation persimunia there. And these are at the end of your life be matrum. And no person who say, oh, when you be on the cry. And so we use floral disposable handkerchief because they say Yariaba. And for usual cotton handkerchief now, papa near we are outside the gems and any virus there, they are not no. Then you are carrying them around. No. Use floral disposable handkerchief. And no, they use we and we're disposing of why free. Oh, now cree. How be any HDB? Yana ketwa kama. Inti say your pocket na pesa or dish or purse more now bag fit in there easily cry at the mount. Ne bon so nyedin e available market baby we a product of Delta Paper Mill Limited. Open the door pa free 0243 033 033. That's 0243 033 033. Dudu bia uhia bia no ye the best someone. And what you know dominion about powder. And so a draw unya bia bo ma ultimate build a strong immune system. Say bre woman a bre say ultimate emma immune system no ne ho ye den. Say the be ya bia na infections bia e ba wasetene mu a atimi aboa na watimi agina bran na akwati asa yare wani na de amount. Afi abo normalize blood pressure. Na wa heart or kidney related problems no if you adwuma keto bia na wa bre be sort out come ho be ye den. Obu ada na ne body parts ne be bia ne ya. Wachiri brem waposo nyina no unya eye dominion about powder bi na ahwase no mo a eyi sa how ni na afio stroke and diabetes na so no e pampam no kra obenya bi ato e wo herbal shops ahodo ni nyina mu across the country dodo pa no na wode wani achi mu wonkoko e ho na be hu Angel Dominion about center na dodo bi ohia bi an sabe kan yes afre 0543 158 195 and afre 020 429 6449. Dominion about powder, your number one immune booster. Yet I want to say, said down the day, you know, when so kind of Ofie Kwanso Jumedi, so Adom 106.3 FM, Ghana's number one radio station. Lunch be a better somewhere due to your friend we will feel consuming. So, but before we do that, no, on come on, to be a menu baby day. Well, come on, Kakra, ha, menu baby day. Now, son, I'm a design common so bebo, a bebre no, a patroti. So, utimi a boa, hona, or coenimu. Why ready to work now? And the na absa ready to work campaign. Yes, I air Kai will be. For the month of February, yes, get ready to work. Now, ABSA ready to work virtual sessions. No, Bass will say, "Be now bit me the necessary skills." Yeah, no bit me from learning to earning. Yeah, a team of experts will be live on ABSA Facebook page and our Zoom on Thursday the 11th and then Friday the 12th of February 2021. Now I engage you on work, skills and entrepreneurship. I say Thursday and Friday 10 a.m. prompt as you get ready to work. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA. Tiana Washan Sosa Ediamaye. My referee say any ochna na aka ediama and 4th ochna a feet. Na akwenya owo se obetimi anya akade ne achede pi. Wabra o pre-order the new Samsung Galaxy S21 no. Abewe itimi ne we ne ya de kosi ochna de. Ese bitimi de me ho hyembi. We the new Samsung Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus and then S21 Ultra. Built to embrace the future with 5G and revolutionizes photography. Yeah, no. We create up to 108 megapixels of super high resolution camera. Obetimi pre-order the NCC at any authorized Samsung retailer. Now, when you're free phone cover, Galaxy Bud Pro and on our live. And our Galaxy Smart Tag and then a Chedi Breakahona redeemable on Samsung members. 80 Kahon said the medical canon on the 5th of February. NASA offer a baby terms and conditions apply. Tiana and also Wama edidu team them. Yes, and a new fruit in Pebetia Faso. Okay, so Yamon Remuna Yenim Komoka Krawa Nafi Via. Yen Twaso na yenko yenim ugusuti Adom 106.3 FM Ghana's #1 radio station na make us say Kofi Pepra ewa ha ya yen no ebon koma akra Kofi Pepra a fine gentleman out him say yeah and was la no Kofi tumenyum yenko tell him he speak small, big, biggest. What's small, big, biggest. Listen, big God, so big, so the big cannot describe you. That's right. Big God, big God, describe the God you are. So big God, big God, big God, big God. Oh, too big, so that we cannot describe. Big God, big God, big God, oh, big God. Oh, mere words can't describe the God you are. Come on. You are bigger than my issues. You are bigger than the cancer. Bigger. Beautiful one, mighty warrior. That's right. Hey. You are the God of flesh, nothing too hard for him. Mere words can't describe the God you are. That's right. Beautiful one, mighty warrior. You are the God of all flesh. Kofi Kwanso. Atiefo amutie na mo san hwe yen e wo Facebook no. Mo de mo Kofi prepare mo hu abrantie. Me patro mo hwe yen wo Facebook no. Give me your thoughts about this song. Mo amutie nu we. Mo nhyɛ mo adwen woni we ho. This is a good song. This is a beautiful song. Oh, simple but nice. That's what I mean. Big God by Kofi Pepra. Minya crank and Kasanka. What? Man! No, Kofi, Akwaba.
Yeah.
And to say,
I don't know so.
Wow. Kofi, what are you trying me?
Anyway, me nyame Adom na.
Kofi, one out trying me.
Yes.
What?
Somewhere last year, na me Troy.
Big God,
yes.
Sure, and you know, simple.
Thank you.
But a heavy song.
Thank you.
And I love the way you put it now. Charlie. Why are you running now? No, but tell us about yourself. Kofi be brand why?
Kofi also be prior young man, of course, married with two Barbara, and then with one daughter. By the grace of God, I worship with Evangel ICGC.
Okay.
Yes, and I'm in a new gospel minister of God.
So me Jenny, how it started for you. I mean, with music. Can I have some kakache?
Me personally, music. Idea on Yankopon at the dome.
Oh, okay.
Me papa wo me. I say be ne sisi mo ba na me. Friend of Reverend George also mentioned on the throne we my train radio anim.
My radio anim. Oh, sir. And you know mo janum.
Idea chese onyame adom or the dom lumina sign shirano bi so me gidi yeso Yakopon ade aba ne maso. Can I say the apple doesn't fall too far from the tree.
Sure.
Cotton so one of mine. Me gidi yeso nyame ehye mu no. Adoma or the ama echirima. I said that is how it started. For it has been music. I mean, from the very homes we were brought up in. And yom twana na Yankopon so yenyini ya mane amfa bebia ya dom okuta yemu ayen so ya twana ode ma oluma so there's me born tofa then one
okay, but I am now in Pimpi, there are families na sa achede no ho. And when they get the opportunity to do something, they do it. They be more on the better. I saw them there, but almost shut down from money saying commercializing on my and find on profession. And you be wouldn't say, oh, I saw them watch it because it's in the family. We never now, so let me just go to the studio and record some single be done from a 2 mega. And now they see when this will say. Said they actually and one. Open saw the edge, so going forward, I mean, that's how you're gonna go. Can want some check.
Sir, Onyankopon, Mijidi say, or the actually amount from the parable and the Bible, no?
Yeah.
The talent man or the chef from no. It was on Yami and the master, no, and the angel.
Yeah.
I believe strongly, say. So Onyankopon actually, as I saw the ODBB. But most importantly, say for Onyankopon kingdom, but on the amount. To share the kingdom, no so show. And I Sebi, Sikanson near the end your mind.
Yeah.
It's not out of place for you to commercialize it and also get your returns.
Sure.
But say Unyame kingdom no a titru near a so I believe all the other things shall be added unto you, as the Bible says. And now say we have something unique. Nyame actually into me function them sir. Yes, I WW you got tuna no we say you nya no yem.
They actually man or they share them once. I feel you. Yeah, good. Anyway, so now that you are with this one, Antana Metrosco. So who put this one together? Engineer Ben and
me brother Biokumase on the starting on the tracking, your master or say France or say me brother Okumase friend of Kupike.
Oh, okay.
He's a very good musician. So you're not tracking. I mean, it's just one as you said.
Yes,
horns. As a matter of fact, let me give you a little.
Go on.
This particular song, Dr. Sonibadu.
Yeah.
No, your program of an unveiling concert. Last year July, program be online. So he gathered some young budding ministers. Was here in Kambum. So not 10 minutes. And now they can release my train 20. I'm Papa no my radina man very fixed.
Yeah.
I know so Yamia don't know. And my boss and you na kabe on my 10 minutes. The boss and you na kabe 3 minutes. We had to do something.
Yeah.
And you so demo harness
you don't mean it.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Online.
Wow.
But it was straight to the point. I
mean, it's
straight to the
simple
point.
song, message, very clear. I mean, I love it. I love it.
Straight to the point. Yes, manager say, now you
wow.
And then we pushed it out, and then by the grace of God, I believe that it's doing well and it has potential.
I'm out for the messages.
Thank you very much. Biggest. It's me. We're so biggest. Listen. Big God. You're too big, so the big cannot describe you.
That's right.
Big God. Big God. Mere words can't describe the God you are. So big God, big God, big God, you're too big, so the big cannot describe you. Big God, big God, mere words can't describe the God you are. That's right. Sure. You are bigger than my issues. You are bigger than the cancer. Hey, like corona. Beautiful one, mighty warrior. You are the God of all flesh, nothing too hard for you. Mere words can't describe the God you are. Beautiful one, mighty warrior. You are the God of all flesh, nothing too hard for you. Mere words can't describe the God you are. Big God, big God, so the big cannot the problem is big, bigger is the soul.
That's right.
The sickness is stronger, stronger is the healer.
Good.
Hey. Undisputed champion, never lost a battle. Mere words can't describe the God you are. So the big cannot describe you. Big God, mere words can't describe the God you are. Mere words can't describe the God you are. Can't describe the God you are. So mere words can't describe the God you are.
Nice one. Mami fa omanfo yi kakra from nyasa on bebo me. Patience abla gun was a good song. Yes, a good pa. So was a me nchiro de nku me ya am so no the mo am for my assessment on Facebook. And then Maxwell also says nice song. na Grace Era Esi Enu on the chest Asana no audio maybe so say wusu or say excellent song. I love this the words. Nothing. Patience Ablan. On one I say yes, big God. Ampa. I feel Mami Ajwa Arthur was watching you from 25, and I feel so Stephen Agama was a nice one. Or the Fitema 27 by I feel Benedict. It was a fantastic song. So and Hebert Eddie Nam Atise or say Kofi can sing pow serious. Yes, he can sing. Wow, Kofi, so I do believe sir it's
yes. I mean it's on all the guitar platforms right now. Soft
okay.
Guitar platforms are YouTube, Apple Music, iTunes, what do you call Spotify, and all every boom play baby. It's Big God.
Yeah.
Ofie Owusu be proud, Big God. Ofie Owusu be proud, Big God.
Okay.
Bless you.
All right. So now currently for now because I know once and there. Yeah, me type a question bisa pa. Gift Creature was Sweden. Or say yes, opening pa na emuye. Nemum, the person catch me and say my birthday is on the 6th. That's this Saturday. Or see where my birthday gift then when need my birthday gift or the this song. You but I appreciate it. It's a nice song, so I love it as a birthday present. All right. So management Ben on your
yes. Right now, it's my name is manager, a friend of Mr. Kofi Opon.
Okay.
I mean, he's doing an awesome job here. Yeah. Right now, we are green, a little bit green, so we need to get the help.
Yeah.
From people who are vexed in some of these things, because the talent alone definitely wouldn't take you where you want to be. Sure. By the grace of God, I started working with this man, and we are taking it a day at a time. So I believe that the future is bright if we continue doing what we're doing. So it's with Mr. Kofi Opon.
Okay.
Evangel ICGC. He's a great man. Bless you.
All right. So Kofi, Asana a day and come over baby, and if people want to get to you, get to know what you're up to and all of that, in relation to this ministry, how do they do that?
So on all social media platforms, I mean on Instagram, Kofi Owusu Pepra official on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram. I'll be very happy.
Okay.
Kofi Owusu Pepra. Reach out to me on YouTube too. Kofi Owusu Pepra official. Twitter, Kofi Owusu Pepra. Facebook, Kofi Owusu Pepra. Everywhere.
Okay.
Biggest. Every time. It's worship.
Kofi, that's a pastor best in every. Nyame kan ho.
Thank you so much.
And then keep up. Keep on doing more. Because I was actually no why. That's all transfer like you said earlier. Men flow. I'm here for you to give all the support now here now. So right. To the BBN now I'm here to right.
I appreciate it so much.
And what I can say to me, the Abuano. Young farm boy, and so that you may be saying, when I say, I'm on to red rose now, the afternoon, the dead, my and mamma. Timiso may, yes, me. Priscilla 024 on Facebook says, beautiful song. And then from there we move on to this one from Kwame Seth Rashid or say Kofi Pepra. You guys are doing great job. The confidence is great. I like that. Adom FM all the way watching you live inside Bogatanga. We appreciate you, bro. Yeah, cha Bogatanga phone you now. I feel Traswa Nana the fancy commando is so powerful, bro. Jerry. Please, the title is Big God. BIGGOD. Big God. That's it. And then Edward and Kuma Boateng. I say I'm happy this afternoon. I'm at work, but I'm hearing you guys live from Düsseldorf, Germany. Your movie quite anymore. Mami Adjo Arthur says this song is all about attributes to God. Okay. Hannah Jampo says nice song. And then Jemima Ahimfo also said nice. Why? Preslo 24 says please repeat the song. Okay, let me do that right now. Let me bring it back and take it from the top one more time. Yeah. Victoria also said nice song. Maxwell also says Ghana songs going far now because of English. I bet they go fast says very nice song. And then Mami Sewa says that this song is wow. Christiana Ama or said this is the type of song we Christians need. And then Jennifer Lomoto says Jennifer Lomoto una sound nice song. And then Sandra Amankwa says a beautiful song. I'm enjoying it whilst cooking my dinner, watching you guys from Oslo. And then Dorcas Upon says powerful song. Charlie messages needed. Bear 30,000. Josephine Boatin says perfect. And then Rosalind Akosa was a nice song. God bless you, Kofi. Sanso and Jamiru Antubam or said the song is a one-time hit. I love that. I feel Kuniva love. I say I'm in love with the song. Oh my God, it's Fantabluta. He's indeed a very big God. I've been up Papa BGH say powerful song. I love it. I am Mama Minfancy and I'm a cousin. Me transfer. Breno. Young club business. I can remember if coming up in the next few minutes. Says Scott Betts Nasi. Around the world in 5 minutes here, the bro. Remember if you go go say can't say COVID no igusu around. If you buy go filling station beer and service station beer for service and an better fuel. Make sure so be observe the following protocols in there. I will keep a minimum distance of 1.5 meters with other customers and our fuel attendants. Now, facing what was shown with soap and running water, especially right after handling money. They are providing in now in service stations. How do you know? I cover when anyone not with tissue anytime be a base in and a coffee. We are disposing off into a bin immediately. If you are not in a position to use another to wash your hands and so on, use alcohol-based hand sanitizers and also be me a protector power. I feel carnation and so. So be use your electronic payment card no, and no it me boy. Now we minimize a cash transactions. Make sure the Go card no, a good bar. In the iron train, you need to when you now sooner yet me in defeat COVID-19. When you saw Royal drinks, they be share. Make a food them away. You more than your Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, Royal Cocktail. The Onsabe can be correct. Just go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal drinks in so many different flavors. Royal drinks. See, you go like them. They are available in a shop near you at only 2 cities 50 pesos. We are another quality product Efficacia Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Open the door and one phrase 0262 351 251. Now 0272 133 373. Miguswami ka ubiem says Skillbrit Parlor, a unisex salon. Ya a one matter heko. Na ochese ohia a professional barber and a nail technician in a juma. Enti wa wani jemu so betimi esa adwuma esa utimi ye obi a wote around Dansoman in Potem ho. Wani jemu sa abomode answer be phrase 0243 115 109 or 0248 0243-115-109 and after 0248-224146. Now also on site me aka adwuma yi. And now, as someone you do to your own phone, a video na ehwe enum. Say, emo abamumu mempaba and it so homa. Earlier, I saw a lot of messages from people. Omo share video no, and they were appreciating the video. Say video no, I inspire video no, any omo akasa ne ade. That is enough to be a footstool for us this afternoon. And now big God we so better each that can na chese si. It quickly no yen fast dama sponsors no fi we pay yen say Scott International yen fa around the world in 5 minutes embro here on Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 F number 1 radio station. Eti asda I dikan yen fa ema door master and Pubiman paint depot ya obo rawo ene no we enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology, or over 100 colors and designs to choose from. You endorse no more sort to be exterior steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors, and the door styles pina and answer the count. Now back paint ya from one so now. And they your partner with news paint. Your Euro standard news paint, no, your more acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paints, marine coatings, Samsung waterproofing, damp proofing, wallpaper, wall primers, potty, and a face, so no, paint accessories, I do no, it be available. Nene, and share the ban say, paint two dino, H. Scanner, what be tia, kakra, dia, my wabra, for interest to be a encounter and farmer. And your friend paint now, pay later. Into all institutions, churches, schools, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers, between wajim na monso mako jibi na mudi ayo project movia matumbo ase atua wabra interest bi ani echi ubenu ya chi akwan ewo Accra Kumasi highway so Pubiman to booth wona na ewo in fact say ugina Pubiman to booth wa wani tua shop no mu betimi afre door master and Pubiman paint depot ewo ye 0542 745 222 and after 050 021 2447 na enkomobi ohobia yedi MTN saying can't yourself from the 2nd of April 2021 you'll be required to present a valid national ID card anytime you are doing any momo agent be say oko perform a transaction we say baby to me abo no akoso receive cash now one handle or transactions now in a safe and secure manner. That's why we're good together. Just momo it everywhere you go. Finally, your first day on my time herbal center or my time herbal mixture unya binumwa na dwuma yetiawa for the treatment of malaria fever. Say malaria fever nkwan wonya dia solution no time herbal mixture e be solve problem there ma ya no wenu atu ntimi ni di wonam na atimi ye yo ya na ade a ni na atu ebetwa e wa bra wonom time herbal mixture se be na ho besisi ho so ntem no ye be kan fo KNG herbal capsules na ma wo de no touch there eno na for general well-being tie ma ho esisi ho so ntem pa na for niche more Kings Walk Herbal, a favorite Pash Ventures, Rick Jones, and a Zidos Herbal, Nina or Kanshi Drug Lane, a Ekus Pharmacy, Byclass, Larry, and a Wudama Pharmacy, Nina or Shaman and also Ibio, more Kaswa, Monko Tribe of Judah, Nafi, Pharma Trust, and so our Wager Junction. And yes, our phrase 0244 417 669. The Ruby on Yebian, the best home. You really say, not just a brand awesome. Say around the world in 5 minutes, yeah, the bro. Which says Scott. What Nancy says Scott.
Bra Jerry
says Scott.
Bra Jerry
says Scott.
Bra Jerry.
Yo, bibi aboko there.
Bra Jerry, the akeni uko kachira wani. The akeni.
Fashion sir.
Bra Jerry.
Yes, you aboko enim na. And come on man neko. Na hina do ya fafa.
Samno doso. Ebi ajuma pantain.
Eish.
Bra Jerry uni mami fe futo magana fo.
Yeti.
Me pa cho me ma wo tonke count.
Na to was say Scott we steady na that why no better on the why should that's what person to kick out.
Brother, you want
Yes, continuous and okay. All right, me.
Now ma wo ton kick out. Emma won titi. Na bon samon kan Joseph hia na wahia da bi.
Not just say like you say betimi akeka.
No, it happens.
Yes, but a banner. Can I want go titi.
Na bon sama me kan go asu say hia.
I am a vote.
What it here? Na bon sama kase kuna su. Brother Rudy baby.
Catch me.
Say who date an African girl? Wo ye be ma men kan chane da sa papa we japade. E so oni mu mienu nyina betwempena. Eye futuo na.
Ono papa ni na.
Betwempena.
Yesu.
Nti eno de ezom di tu o mutirimu pa.
Okay.
Brother unim. Se unya wo ba no ho. Na se wo dwonso na e ba zim o ye virgin ware no. Research.
The research you are to was it. Go over again. What say?
Se unya wo ba no. Me kire how a wo be hu niam bi. Research in 2 weeks pa no de ne. Na se wo dwonso na e ba zim ware no ye virgin. Na momum se wo dwonso na e ba ta. That's another boho. Hey, Radari, Yanshan Samna say. Now, unim, Debia, ye case Yadia COVID-19. And why didn't buy into Debia was a me story in Miami, make sure say be womb. Then I be a Ghana for who how serious the thing is. Now, 8-month baby, and ye be. I was Tamale Teaching Hospital. 8 months when you be. I know what pa. Sounds like a 1-year-old baby is when you be. I know what you ain't no ye keka. Wa na wa bon ban. Na itchemu e beto ho ne say akwala ya wedi 8 months ya when you be. Onya fi na wo fo ho. Omanya bi. Ntina say
akwala wedi bosome nwotwe.
Charlie. When you be.
Adie hu.
Mfie ba ko nso anya bi 1 year. Ono nso anya bi. Na enu achire no doctor bi aba bonte aba be kasa wo kire se yade no e affect ya bema no wan hwe ne ya wunya bi kura bema nya adwuma on say e affect immune system na
and omunyi film na wan hwe on bema eno ho adwendwen no kwa ma kofo bema
no enye immune system no kwa na affect un say o lungs e san affect e na e ma blood ni flow e na wa unu say ade nso no
moja na de adwuma
moja na e ma na e adwuma say lungs ni
say dompe bi anim
yes nti blood na blood nti no asam no kan de ho prove by nti na me de atubia no Roger yanko Nigeria
okay
ababa we bi aba bonte aba be kasa wo kire say in fact say ne maami wo ho ne maami ni ho ne papa ne da na ati mi say akoso a ntini sisi ade afono no e na waba live video na waba beka
se ne maami e wo ho ne maami ni ho ne papa ne da
yes
ono ane papa na e bia
ono ane papa wachem na wo no bosome nkron ono ane papa wache na wo no bosome nkron very very serious ti ababa wa Nigeria asem enso no
asembeni
Blajer you should say wo ba be ware aka few days few weeks na ba be ware na be ma won ne be ware wenya motor accident
oh
bye
aka some few days na wa ware
few days
na be ma no enya accident
yes wenya motor accident ma na hwere ne nkwa enya asem ketwa ya reho sem pa me in fact me tie na reho yedi mu ko wi a meko South Korea on say South Korea aban eye edi hihie bia ba wo mo chese immigrant for a wo ma ba ho no kire foreigners a wo ma ba ho no o mo de hihie bi gu akwemu o bema o mo stay no aye comfortable say we are in a pandemic ti o mo chese wo mo ye hihie ya chese ebema bibia aye dey akoso toti edi ama wo mo na chese wo ko South Korea asemo aba beto ho no
ene say we dey ye say we dey asem
yeah eno dey eye pa Brajeri before I sorry no Me pacho fan kra we ma embe me wo Ghana na ne wiase afa ne nyina. Tie ni yepa.
Me tipa.
Say oba no. After election. Say election aye kwato aba after election.
Your election, your erection.
Yes, enye erection.
Now okay.
Election.
Okay, so after election. Okay.
If she pays attention to you, who said you should get that in lose election.
Say your quarter baby.
No, say
or girlfriend suddenly or mom all the needed attention.
Yes.
It just say the sugar daddy politician Olusui. Research
it is only in Africa, brother. It is only in Africa. And now be say will be a bre we wiasu a chese wo su book. Our book on how to make it in life. It is only in Africa na be uzadi.
Book no edge no how I bet me.
Yes, the title of the book no how to make it in life.
Meanwhile,
onipa no ton na me wiasu ni hu fifre. Na no wo
Eso okrasa book no ton.
Okrasa book no. Minim say wan kan yo.
Because I see them in traffic and sometimes some of them are holding management books. So I have this.
No one so shana. How to make it in life.
Not just a guy. Take it time account no. I say,
how terrible is wisdom when it does not profit the wise man.
I say, yes. No way, JB.
Javel Capel. Natures out the day. Yeah, bet you. Jerry Macron.
Bye bye. Isn't some doors. Ready. About your coming up. Pretty. I irrigated sports. Now, me patcho and I irrigated sports. You were guest. Can guest presenters or your presenter. Okay, so let me simply put that your guest also. And yeah, guest with just gets because and you know on the wife and a nam now why and on the wife eba show no so and your friend Patapa and the wife are on the show today. Yeah, Gator Sports. Yes. If I will come in a fee, you must see. For the no more time, and you will be dealing with and you want to ban. Now, my 4 year anchor first verse quarter dada. It is 1 minute, I best quarter dada. No Nyanti voice. I feel no bossy. Please wish my niece a happy birthday for me Her name is Koshi Note of Excel Community School at Community 17. Please tell her Auntie Benny's loves her. I just did. Right here, room near the Alligator Sports at Bronx is here. Medical catch us a special guest. A Patapan and a wife. And then your mobile bay Alligator Sports. But on Sana, no, the Pacho Kaina Esham says, say the most refreshing natural food drink. I will be a Kawasemu Kuma, so fruity. We know you're the natural refreshing fruit drink. Yeah, just goodness and quite a woman. Now the man when it down so crying say a non-carbonated natural fruit drink. Not just a chemical symbia anymore. So fruity. You're on 3 flavors. Orange. Yeah, card the day and you was zingo and a mixture of orange and ginger and a fake cocktail and on the one him say fruit pinana yaki candy abumwa any they are wrong. Remember, there's no other soft drink as refreshing and nutritious as so fruity. Diano Mansa can't there. Available market baby. I don't do a pano. Now what friend? A Cedric Odoy on 0548 453 002. Now you sort you out, come on. So fruity. Enjoy the goodness of a natural, refreshing fruit drink. I feel better now. Yama and penny for Kasa. Now yet me out room. Now yet the irrigated sponsors so I trust the amount. Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Enti openi ma wanonkwe.
Well. Please, irrigated sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated sports. Papa. So listen to irrigated stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. I feel really say Penaya Mini Patras.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Thank you. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. That they be a irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress
I know. Offer.
Sir, open program one denisham fast sports one. Irrigated sports. Adom 106.3 FM. The FM is John.
Good. Kwame Akwaba. And Pumu to saying,
trade up on Adom. They say, quite obvious, I'm a point to say, I had tautology chess and I go for to see a party. And it was idea and Mamma Kwanso, yes. And yet, that was see by a party.
Na, Unim say, Kwaba.
Yadu.
I say, Pumuye.
Oh, Yamiadum.
And they said it.
Or would they? It's the end day.
Me.
I don't know.
Say me.
Corona.
Oh, Debbie.
I'm not despite your party.
And I may a despite. Assembly now can be a despite.
Party no cost of
Opening.
I see a form.
I'm coming back. Can't say me to them. I'm fancy here. I'm fancy here.
Fancy Kuru.
Me despite.
What I can.
Menka.
I can.
Say a onam. Anyone you should not. Oh. Say. What is it at the question also? Said the traffic in the bar near when ya echo East Ligono. So now traffic now aye auntie. Ya na pussy for na bijinijina. Or they be fat more horse and that ya kusimo. It one ya echo East Ligono when pese when ye found why said the all Cotema Street about do and we ya found na pussy for natural. And now na midi openiachi. Tia kwanam so. Man, yeah, and I'm so opening the East Legon walk. nti no nde obedi mehwa no pani gusu di manimu a say me de na ekotema na nkofo isu di we for who do we Rolls Royce na ye apena pa we na crusade
Gabecha de kwa
apa opani na hwe say the food on one of John of yes man stop that
Who say man no dey
enti opani akwa party a me bi enye yi enti sira wada ma me tramba bi na me nweme ho me sira
yesa ba yesa corona nti
kwame me se me timi fie adwe me ho
ya ye nu 25
ya
ye nu 25
ale ba kasa me kasa me ye party on me be ba me kasa me wife would no ndom
ye kasa me
ti di ade ne ye kura ne se asi nim ne ndai me ye na me dia empire bomb asa me adia ye kura me kasa ye revival ti ma sorry kura me kasa ye revival a che se gina mu dendenden sa ti wa de
sorry party enyi cha sorry
party de party de nya de ameye party ase
nya de edi na wanti na edi nya Yesu awoti na edi Yesu awonti ensa ne ma
se si e se de korora ye ikura no e ya de anka fe ne ebedi bro nya na nkopani be me atwentwen so because unim na no asem na wo ka no eno am ne mpanifo no baako ayeyi a che se me bo akire hwe na no said the night case nkrofo no science and data no won ya chi boss so fan the lead pa omo achi won no won ba no won tutu won ano a the one can say enya party no call ya funeral enya party funeral e do the sad day it not just sad day no
una spread ya pa
eno na akwa ara aye ida anyway ye wo patapare ne wife nso ha ye mo mo so akwa ba busy akwa ba na bibi aboko de nice na wife is so akwa ba.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm fine. Hey, so you are true was here. Now can so be bizarre set to say you and the LT.
It's saying I understand. Yeah.
Okay, so what's
what could be Jerry be akobonyo. But wife ni.
But wife no.
Jerry bia me yakotonyo.
So
one corner remember member.
Na de say be anso benya bi say ya o.
Enti da bi na wo bua chese nkapata fa ya dey.
O be so chese nyanyo mu anka.
Emomi di ma.
Bobo, oya cassette ya wo.
Bobo wa surprise no, wa surprise.
Bobo, oya cassette ya wo.
My number.
Baby, when you say eh, who dey enti akwa me yes ah. Who say normally first na ye nuano mo ekwa bruchiri a o no di broni ba no.
Yeah.
O he no wa broni no dey baba tu hu broni na tum say
o tim say broni we dey wa bre.
Yeah. Enye nkrata pa.
Anka wonye. Ba we dey o tim say. Anwa wo
me hu ni say that but me say pata. Bobo,
mala me ya chiwo me go fa chiwo.
Okay, so
idea ya no ba into the can say
and the hard no asama can serious pa yeah okay so now let me explain what just happened to you here.
Obiasro
oh enti my nchemu nche no oh no ba chi need to know what's happening ye net yes ana why di to
ye ko ni promo bia anya translator ma ye me titire mu na di mi twa mu ma me ko yira
wa misa well I will explain to you. He said you are very pretty, okay? Yeah, you're very beautiful and because of that he's also going to sing. He want to be a musician from now so that he get a beautiful lady like you to marry. All right? And then we're like Patapa said
I do music like Patapa.
Okay, and then Patapa also said something. He said he's not nice looking. That's why he decided to go in for someone who is nice looking like you. Yeah.
But it's not true.
It's not true.
No.
Why?
Yeah.
For me, he's handsome. Yes.
Handsome lies in
the eyes of the beholder.
I'm first of all, be a Obroni say Patapa dia o too handsome. Amano.
Okay, so no, the other day we spoke on the phone, and you told me how you met Patapizzi, Okay, and then I think I asked the question, and you said the day you visit us, you tell us about it.
Oh my God!
Yes, you think I've forgotten about it? No, I still remember it. So one, It was about the
Kwaku?
yes.
It's over match Patapa wife. Match KCB Kosu. Ewo Mediama. Takwa. Yanom da form kaba ko mo wo nai. Man fan tu dwa.
Ya she has.
Unse update ni dia ya ni.
Match ni Japan na.
Oh, me se mo da form kaba ko. Time.
Reporter papa bi report us ya bobo.
Aka 4 minutes.
Me Japan.
Na ba wiye.
Aka 4 minutes.
Yanom on mo.
Ene Kwame ya de.
Ni makai. Ni coach. Se me ka so mo da form kaba ko a omo ntimi ntie.
Kwaku Patapa wa ha.
You de nya hwe my entrance so na. Okay, so what's your full name? Your name, your full name.
Leah Amoa.
Leah
Amoa.
Yes, Amoa.
The Amoa, yes, your husband's name. Mrs. Leah Amoa.
Yes.
Okay.
Amoa. Amoa also Amoa.
So the kind of make
Amoa.
Yeah. Okay, so you've got a tattoo here. What's there? Can you
read it?
No, I can't. From where I'm sitting, I cannot read it.
Always a lesson.
Never what?
A failure.
Always a lesson.
Yes.
Okay.
A sailor, always a lesson.
All right. I love that. Is that the only tattoo on your body, or you've got some elsewhere?
I have another one also.
That one, it's only your man who can see it, right? and you're busy. Oh goodness. The other day, many of Mokasa on phone now. Now pese me who want to born or an address is or bars and nan can pese nana when kase now when kase pregnancy be a woman near the adena on peso bekan was 7 near the other minim say nay say mo be pese still you be call hon mo na say and I'm busy bibia what's the one about to near the other
had the abani have fie nti questions ne do baby say yes be ya no
inti show
I'm say Simo.
Oh, Bobo.
Mr. Jerry.
Bobo, I am quitting. Sure.
Are you pregnant?
You're asking me, so you don't know.
What about
me? I'll trust it.
What we are the who go for Bisano? I know I catch on. You don't know where you asking it.
Everyone was a crowd on my phone. Experience,
so when Chebia Patapa Bell or Bruni Bat, not you say. What I say?
If you are singing, I don't pie boy and one pie say, I can't ever send my memory.
Someone.
I'm not so feeling I zero.
The child should look at me.
Look at you.
I introduce Ajwa Kunkum.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Ajwa Kunkum from all they are saying is that the two of you are going to give birth, right?
I'm going to give birth.
Yes.
Both of us.
Yes. You are the one you are going to give birth.
So we are all praying. The whole world is praying that the baby will look just like you.
Oh no, it will never happen.
No.
It will never happen.
It has to be a mix.
No, I'm the person cooking the rice.
Jesus Christ. Okay,
So you want to say I'm a rice cooker?
Put salt on it.
Does he want to say I'm a rice cooker? Okay, so you want your child to be just like you? Patapa, open so banana yet to say wow. Bobo. Oh, person will ban here to say wow.
I say medicine a baby food juice. The deep juice. Typical juice.
Orange juice.
Oh, come here. Juice. A coffee juice.
There's no drug juice.
Oh no. But very soon, and we sure say baby neba very soon, yeah.
Very soon.
And now Crawford Kaka say girl no wife no onyam no crowns and I'll be why and that they said they am Crawford, you know, but now who denies yes and now we answer now onyam. But so we can free and shaz your man. Because why how many months in here?
Forget you.
Oh, T. Busy. Why how many months in here?
I am say echo 1 month.
What's 1 month?
What's
1 month?
No, it's been more than 1 month, right?
No, I think it's more than 1 month.
It's more than 1 month.
The 2nd of January. Now,
1
month and 2 days.
It's the same 1 month.
Yes, 1 month.
Because 2 days they young can't.
And as I see, and the free.
Are you calculating the baby or?
Yes, we want to do that. Are you calculating the baby or?
You want to see the
Really?
Yes.
No.
So it means you did it like some 3 months before the marriage.
No.
Oh no, but there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, you guys were doing it. It wasn't as if you were just there as friends and you were not doing a thing. So you were doing it.
Yeah.
The world knew about you.
Yeah.
No, and not just like the world knew about them. They were doing it. They were actually doing it.
Doing what?
Doing what brought the baby.
Doing what?
Doing what brought the baby. Because PZ spoke to me about
But nobody
it.
brought the baby. There's no baby yet.
You guys are now deceiving us.
You were just in the house cooking, watching.
I do akwaba.
Yeah.
Na to say.
Nyamiado.
Aye.
Ọdún sọ akata so.
Then you Ghana so post landing pictures. Magic man really come on.
Are you serious?
Your last picture so landing picture.
Now that you need pictures are utwa oko. Enti o na wasa jam yanu yo. O tu da fie na post the utwa oko no dia. Because you are.
Because me say the last time I show picture na landing picture.
I know.
Who buy that bay?
Me buy be say be 3 weeks.
I feel now bisa me.
You assume deal.
E tu kwaku ya we.
I feel now bisa me.
Obia oni me ho asem say ma back room ha. Obia ni me ho information say ono oto.
And kwaku ya pa bon for.
Wait for body there.
Adra.
Yes, baby.
Tu be mi ama na ha.
I didn't try that.
Okay.
Mrs. You're beautiful.
You too, thank you.
I've
too.
been watching you online.
Thank
I love
you.
it how you speak for your husband.
Thank you.
So
Thank you. God
keep it
bless
up.
you.
Yeah.
God bless you too.
Always supporting the husband. Yeah.
Patapa is a big brand. He's an amazing.
Yo, busy yo.
You know.
Yeah.
Well, on the phone I can say yo.
The two of you will put your heads together. You get it. So make sure, please, don't follow the fame. The lights are blinking, but that's not what's important. You're in this for life, and that means that there will be times when you would have to stay back and support him. Forget about the Ghanaians making noise about you getting pregnant and all that. I got married before I even had anything to do with my husband, but still, they were still looking forward to me getting pregnant the next day after our wedding. So that's not a problem. But please, this is your man. Respect him, love him, protect him, protect the brand. Let no third person come in between you.
We're going to have like one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And God bless you.
God bless
when
you.
the time is right, you will make beautiful babies. You know what I see between the two of you? The nose. The nose. Papa has a broken nose.
Yeah.
No.
He's got.
My nose is really cute. Look at this. Oh,
No.
Pizzy's nose is nicer. No, why you guys you got?
My what's in it? My own is black. I say so same with
He say I have big nose, but it's not big. It's long.
It's long.
His nose is big.
No, it's
Mine
pointed.
is long.
It's
The point I was trying to make is that because of the nose, you have beautiful babies.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Just
And I will always cook the
beautiful
jollof.
is not the most important. I just hope the kids or the child that I will have will be healthy. This is the most important.
You will
yeah.
get it. As for health,
This is the most important.
this is Africa.
This man, he's strong. He's strong. So don't worry.
Your children are blessed. Okay.
That's the most important.
He's strong.
But I hope
Ghana
it will not be stubborn like me. Then
Last 2 years.
Then
Okay.
packed.
That's just on one person here stubborn that. I was just an about the best stubborn.
Otherwise, you want the children to copy Patapa.
No, wait.
No.
Very hot.
Two of Patapa. Oh,
You can't stand them.
has to be my father.
Anyways, okay.
Patapa is stubborn.
Ceasefire.
More than me.
Let's get back to the story, the love story between you and him when you guys met on the very first day. Tell us about it. What happened?
You mean at the show in Belgium?
Yeah.
So Patapaa was performing in Belgium, and the organizer is a friend of mine. So he said to me that Patapaa is coming, and during that time I will be in Belgium too. So if I like, I can come to the show. I know most of the organizers around Europe, so when artists come, I try to promote the show. Now lately I'm not doing it anymore, but before I used to do that. So he have invited me to the show. I have watched his performance, and after the performance, my friend said, if you would like to take a picture
before you
with
continue, so you've watched his performance, like you rightly said, and you kind of liked him from the beginning.
No, I already knew Patapaa. That's the reason why I went. You know, the song One Corner.
Wait a minute. So were you kind of feeling for him already?
Not like in love or something.
But
no.
you just like his
act.
If
it will be like Beyonce, I'm not in love with her. Like, but I love her. Not in the way I want to marry her. No.
Okay.
So this is the same also what I felt for Patapaa. Like I really love the One Corner song.
Yeah.
So I said, no, I really have to go there because it used to really like hit in Germany. Every club you go, you will always hear One Corner and you will see all the Ghanaians going crazy, jumping from chair to table. And so then I went to the show. I saw his performance there, and the organizer said, yeah, if you want to take a picture, he's backstage, you can go and check it. And the backstage was like a tent because it was a party in a park. So it's an open place.
Yeah.
And I went inside the tent and I didn't see him. And I said to my friend, oh, he left without taking picture with me because there's no light, nothing. And, you know, Patapaa is also like a quiet person. He was just sitting down quietly. My friend said, just be quiet. He's sitting in front of you. Then I hold my phone light and I look. He was sitting there. I said, please, can I take a picture with you?
Because he's dark and he was sitting in the dark, you couldn't see him.
He heard me, but he didn't even say you can come or something. Nothing. He was just sitting there. When I asked him for a picture, when I just asked him for a picture, he just looked at me. Okay. And I was like, did he really understand what I asked him? Because that time, people were saying he does not speak English. So I was like, whether he understood or not, let me just take my picture. So I took the picture, but because the flash was not so good, so the picture was not nice. So when we left, we were in front of the party. Then I said to him, please, the picture is not nice. Can I take another one with you?
Hey.
Or can I take a video? Then he said no. I was like, wait, maybe he did not understand me. I said, a picture, he said yes. So I took a picture again. Then Patapaa left. And one of his guys came back and asked my girlfriend for her number. He said Patapaa is asking for her number. And my girlfriend gave out her number. But Patapaa never called, you know. And 1 year later, a friend of mine, DJ Soa from Germany, is like one of the biggest party organizer. He have brought Shatawale Medical and many other artists, Stoneboy. And so he said to me, Leah, you have been to Belgium, you have seen Patapaa's performance, and I will, because I know Patapaa is about to come to Europe, I would like to book him. Was he good? I said the performance was really good. If you bring him, I will even come to the show again. He said, okay, I should send him, please, the videos that I took when I was in Belgium at the show so that he can promote his show. So when I sent the videos to him, Patapaa and the DJ Soa have posted on his status on WhatsApp. And Patapaa saw it. So he was asking about me. He said that he wanted to, like, he knows me from Belgium and this and that. He knows I'm a Belgium girl. So he really liked to meet me. And my friend said, no, she's not from Belgium. She's like a sister to me. She lives here in Germany. Then Patapaa said he would like to meet me when I come because he really liked me, have seen me at the show. So then I didn't know. So DJ Soa was pressuring me like, we have to pick Patapaa. Patapaa is coming to the airport at this time and blah, 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 blah. I couldn't go there because I was working. So DJ Soa didn't tell me anything that Patapaa, his manager and all, that they really want to see me. I didn't know nothing. So he was pressuring me. I was even talking with one of my girlfriends. I said, is DJ Soa in love with me? Why is he pressuring me to come to his place? While it was Patapaa pressuring DJ Soa. Yeah. So then when finally I get there, then I talk with Patapaa. He said, yeah, you are like, the reason why you are here is because of me. I told DJ Soa to invite you here. And I said, but that day you asked for my friend's number. He said, no, I wanted the boy to take your number. But because we are both white, so he have take my friend's number. That's why Patapaa have never called. But 1 year later, long story short, we have met again.
Wow.
Is everything
and now,
in God's hand? You know?
And now you are Mrs. Amwa.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. We'll get back to that story. Now you tear from Patapanso said you see a quite fine. Adra now what's it saying? Say now say
you miss me. No, so for messages Nana.
Bizam me my feel.
Yes.
David, and just bizam that question. Many young queen. Many later. Many young queen. Now, bomb commander then
I'm back tonight. With Timakunkum on your friend say, is it Kayana or something? Yes.
On Adom TV.
Yeah, Papa, chat room right now.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That's starting at what time? 5 years. Oh, and as such as say. In the next 2 minutes, Yamoko. Okay. Mobeti mi ahwe no Adom TV. Why? Na yen hwe ne vice na.
I will take off the mask there.
Okay. Hono be mask no na mo huna ho fe no na ade na chese. Bibia fine.
Mr. Ofini what? Protect her, Mr.
Mati.
Okay.
Me that's so.
All right. Nti adwa wo dey ye na later be san kasa na ye ne hu se dey why? Adwa no. I crown. I'm fancy. I crown. I'm fancy.
Yeah.
Sir, and come in, Patapanso, you can create.
I will can see an
not still, I'm penny.
We took that Palmer boys now. Oh, my God, Mediamas has to folk. I come back. Brony coach, I'm going to call you. I couldn't go for all. Second loss in a row. Any?
But we never saw you interview.
Maybe because over 20, my make it a strong point to it. I mean, first born, what did he say?
There must be 8
8, 9.
I mean, our mama come 9. The first born of 8 years. Has G League, the last has G League, now come in Nipa. Oh. The first born did 8 years. Oh, me, League no way. I woman the Bavanian and League. Fabroni caught no way back. Make us say, okay. It's the opening say, Obapenino. Before so, but not has me league.
I hope I have to book the answer.
Oh, me mom, 10 years in here. It's him.
I know what baby. League because I'm on you.
Okay. Busy. Wifey I boy story in the all this story are okay now. We are waiting. It's that time in now. Timona obey what penesi na unya na nka o de be wa de won.
Say Yankopon obobia na wabɔ ne mfi. And I will say aka bi say me normal no. Me jene yankun no mama anjo no normal. Because na ne yankun ne yeme me fi. Me ba fi man friend da. So time ye boko Germany. I me check Jesus wa say be say me hu. Girl we. Aba me hu am say yes we are na mission wo Belgium no. I on me try picture no. So from that time na I was patupa. Na me ye mo ba Ghana. Ona ne friend na wo me nya no ba Ghana. Na me do call Ghana meeting aja. Me do call Ghana meeting aja. Until from there no.
Tina Sada we shoes are.
And say
okay say Sada was
it's not just
it's na obro ni aba.
O impress no.
When I actually no obro ni we chan kan only.
Actually when you go shoe.
I will tell you.
From that point on no. Omo ba Ghana ne ade na hu se ba bi aduna na set no. What about ne relatives? Whole process no net is catch in said they all contacting the relatives ma catch them say no e bi on ba no person o worry on ne ade no. Mu say Ghana had the tradition no say different say o be kwa kokoko say onya mpanifo di wachi ni ade ko bi so ba no sa wa worry mu we no de no process no con say
already na me manager yako sekin Europe tour ti yako Europe tour no e ma me so me ko hu ono so ni parents e ko trans na dia basha birthday ni munya na me ne ono ne ma me na antina trans anti ma me ne pe ma sem sa o me kwa no ordinary so ma shishko but na me ntiase nse
ordinary say den or this you are from so I know it.
Shishko. No, we have a pesad near, but not still maintiasi.
Okay, so explain it to us. What does it mean?
You know, I always used to do that to Patapa. He never knew what it means, you know. And I can't really explain, but we do it normally to kids or babies who are a little fat. Like shishko means like chubby, you know, like so
okay.
Patapa is skinny, and he said to me, "You are the shishko normally," but we do it when something is sweet, like when babies are sweet.
Okay. So Patapa was sweet at that point, yeah.
My mother did it, and I was like, "Oh no, this is he's a grown-up man, you know." But yeah, he's just.
Yes, and I know so with the feeling no.
Mommy in very close nowadays. It's a way you could macra. To make mommy in China, but mommy on Shadant, on zone Shadant before car Jimmy Casa. Yeah, I never Casa crowd of WhatsApp crowd or Cho Jimmy Casa. Nam the actually say, what is the meaning of this? No, I check my son so mad. Seven is good as clan and all the counter canker. Yeah,
and I said, back a card and not just ordering them.
A Bema family in very close. Now, there's some family non very close. Now, say no, it's a family close, they're able to me. I think, yeah, worry.
Do catch on so person worry on Bano. No more reaction to say.
Puno open in Tema because they really like me. I said, me be a me pagora. I said, "Mo to me entertain one." Yeah.
Now, born in the mua.
And me manager so. On say on so I say Germany casa so oil coffee for goggle said you na ono ma me am akeri
I say
some smoke
what about this guy ono no ye na ajigu na ye bisa so mo repeater and ka say ye patapa ye de ubu agunu so yo yeah
no kasa sa bema me be na adini am de Germany I say on so san super back bill because overall broni na why ma we hu family na won so we hu ni suban na dia at the end of the day no akoye boy because over how I doing it's me who we it's not be the real the real or moving na then I say no I can marry this woman
kwa kweli wewe unaoye interview baba mimi sina sema hapo sababu dadwinda
Ubenyo Brunia.
Very important.
I have friends who say on the Brunia no
Pizzy catching. Pizzy catching.
Yeah, what did it say won? Record. Yankopon be set record. Sa record ni bi no na Yankopon dey ato me so no because impona me ni imposim ba be star because from Norway.
Yeah.
I put this seller. And I could be far one corner because you do what is baby. Boom na dinner. But I could be because me be a me pe club me baby I want me call me fiba penis me coffee. Me famon she say me.
Yeah.
Inte be supplies. That supplies na be na still I could dey ordinary no me dey supplies.
Yeah, supplies.
Me down dream.
Yeah.
Me down dream because me go school crown. First in the JSS. Na ma bon pan but one woni ma na was ring no. At the end of the year school no, na me mean scholarship because of it. Yes, me grind power stack.
I don't know about chase no.
Ma boga. Bad barrel.
Tinaja say wo no, ye de enum to nche kra. Wo say to mi kaka o.
Me gbenya kasa na wo say mo stage amemble. Ya dia
yeah.
See, from just a snabby scholarship no call or stake no. Yes, I mean can you no so say we find the 30 and 15 won to actually 15 we to have. Ebe what is she meters na ma kan gum.
Yes, any boy won't carry.
Yes, it's a bema.
Yeah. Obia on the favor of them.
Say Adibia and go pon man biano. Chedi.
Yeah.
Chedi. It's now all the time. Me bumping for any man. The Missy Gumichi. The bumping for the Missy Gumichi. And then I dare to me push.
But the tell wife I know ye pa. Onion pata 1 corner ne there. So there be a will be a sort of man. One now I put it because of 1 corner. Was it onion 1 corner? Not it's what German. It's about being now to be my patapano and yet love one chocolate. It is at the end of the day,
because of 1 corner, you can't also now you go say no question or 1 corner.
Party. Yeah, can also and can chocolate.
Because of 1 corner, and I go pon say the lady with mama 1 corner. I was Germany. It's a Adibia all the time. I say I go pon the young idea to me then. Because now me yes, but through 1 corner scope at mana. I think say in the year from passport motuma call US.
Straight up.
Yes, because time per boom so many years.
Easy,
Adom. Oh, it's about papalogy. Yes, Adom. Adom because Adoma and Adom FM ha. Can member had Adom TV, men call order. And I say me tons agake, me ya peswes.
That's now to now numbi.
Oh,
no, I know about them.
Manka sambu mi obi a me said am mpe good and I am man I don't know me no ma pa fever be den be chimba say
they are no sitting there.
Oh bobo mitra
appear ba one out test
now on test now ye ne den obi o twa be no me first because o twa o ye den po bi be den e boko no
mu ba na gu another so
da bia ho what passport ma me ne ba den to me because ma me oba tampa all the time o kan kofo e den ti ma fanga sample wo fa san won wo kokoton nti ba ne den ya dia e botum egu
oba tampa
boatma
I was ready for side
do shedra asisimi na me bro man kasa udua ukasa o hwe boatma obi am wala afaga to ampo do beko
easy
si say wo eyo abelempi
what job tra
wa abelempi nti e ba ne yeko be di be bia be 2-3 weeks
they say we are crab base and that's why group base
oh me are club base
Peasy. Yanka enum asem kakra. So now that you are married and expecting a baby near there music side no so no send it here.
Very important. But sure you worry we are na me release Medi. Yeah.
Medi ana Medi. Medi and no say
it's like
say you chop ana say ana oh me ba me bisa quest ana ebia
to fancy so kaka
ana ebia wo twalo to na wadi
o say obi be ya me interview bi no baby za say didn't na Ghana ya we bi before akese atu na ade
me san kan bi mu ina kan
oh
ebia no
it's answer no na say me the man because me a list mistake me ya man o Ghana because me Ghana ni me to me condemn me krumfo na me to me condemn abrofo because people need to me wala igbeni na fancy me otum wal pepeni sa so na yankopon ama mesuma ko walo bruni en ye meso pe na ma walo bruni wo Ghana first ye obi ma we die ni ma ansa na me yeden me ba intema meso me man ansa ne pepepe
na ka from next wife ni Chinese na me from because who dey say boy so do for to be say ko nchi no
da bi
o da ka kapata ba wa so won tebro
dabi
enti me ba simply put Medino asset chasing
Medi is like I've get my own choice so I win like bet
there's a way travel to wed
yes Medi
okay mumi entie Medi kakra na yento aso
ya the video no to kwa 2 days ebe second trend on YouTube.
Sir, Medino. Wow. And now who feature our wife was on.
Mabano, Matiano, Michigan and Michano. 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 Hey, audio console. Hey,
Made, media, Mabano, Matiano, Missia Ganana Mitano, Mabano, Matiano, Missia Ganana Mitano, Mabano, Matiano, Missia Ganana Mitano, Mabano, Matiano, Missia Ganana Mitano. Audio concentration.
Why no eche bia eche cap bia cap
Madia Made ice oh sir we no see mara b ye hu kokonje bia o se eche bia eche
na eche yidi
dem son ka say no wadi eche ye she
media do say eche
no say eche bia eche
oh fani
say wadi eche no tie o se we nkwa de kwa kumi ba me let me tell you something we nkwa de defend patapa o se there o se
eche yidi
there be ti o se wadi ti say wadi loto enti sa eche no wadi loto no to no wadi eche enti eche na odi ye na eche no enti eche bia eche
obani Benny, asema
wadiche wasu wadiche eche also patapa ka wasem
tie wotun wa kwato chewo a chewo no susuru wuti
obi hia won say eche be na hia wuti
now you are making sense.
yes so
eche bia eche
na akova wuti ansa na otu aren wo de afa krom nti chewa ebe fata wuti no ete so obaya ofata wo ba we so yo obeyin na fi na odo bo obaye nti me menfi no ono ni nti any cap bia ye cap no eye kasa kwa
thank you
bye bia
peace yo
afa broni na
is wuti a beginning na me say mabano matiano mishi again na mitwale no mabano matiano mishi again na mitwano mabano matiano mishi again na mitwano mabano mishi again na mitwano o say
is a chebia every cap is a cap. Not what you are thinking. Otherwise the next sentence will not make sense when I say keep on wearing it. If I'm talking about the private part.
Yeah. It won't. Yeah, it will not make sense. Yeah. So, what I say?
Yes. Echebia.
Now say, what do you call it?
You can't say it.
What do you? I mean, can't go from po. Intestine, no. Is that one shit? You get the intestine I'm talking about. Or buy any intestine, no. Well, Indomino. One shit.
Yeah, Bobo.
He says something. Again, come again. Oh, that be me, sir. No. That be me.
They say, I said, Wama, sorry, Wapen was a kapa.
Every cap is cap. Your bike. It's buy your size, no. I'll be fan, no. Yeah. So the respect with the man. Because on no one thing. Unto coffee ma. And you would and then you 3 days in Pombere, Moboko. Because a chum.
It's okay. Now, your money course near there. But Patapa catch him. So, if you ask them to say, how do you guys relate? Maybe your person, also person, I say sometimes, maybe our communications, or can you be nice? I want to say, also,
bravo. Because okay, Shama, okay, what's up? How much are you buying? One pono bro food because of broken. So Casabi of Kebiano.
Juice broken now.
They have many cabro. Many cabro.
Now,
about to professor
anti BBC say no. Busy.
Yes, yeah, na kwa ka bro fun ntia. Broni na no kwa no o ti so ka do jema broni. Enya sakra, de o ka no nya TV a oni problem.
But Pataba, has there been a sipen say ebia. O person o kan bi kire no na nka sa de no nya o be kan otwi mu na wate ase yesu na twi no ka wonte ase na ebia won so hu se de on kan no bro fun kire.
Me kan bro.
Ofa no bro fun de ha bro fun.
Aya o kan say nti bi
me kan bro fun me de kire no.
Oni nkasa oni ni nkomo kakra na mira.
Bi ti say nkomo bi ti say
o de sisi e ka che ne say mufia ye interview a ye be fia na ye ni mu na ya kotema na ya kwa kodi tilapia kakra sana
yeah, from here we are going to Tama to chill ourselves more, okay?
To where?
Tama.
No problem.
Nice one.
So,
So are you just testing me for your?
As our blog too. As our blog too. But I feel you young. Renam.
Mobile pese I now amount for why say now especially say the bakufi baby usually almost me agree on what to do say your family your hand be raise your family near there and you be are we going to see say patapa soon obeko settle Germany now we're raising a family and now baby kakrumu ana one no abomasisi wa ahwemuma.
Okay, before no on I where say music no Ghana na me then they start say na all over the world. Nti mituma ko stay on in chamber 3 months na ma Ghana baby abe 2-3 weeks na 1 month ndai me medjuma because your artist impemfu be bla wa ba was so bia wo wale abrofo ba wo ko no man ba bi wa ba this time we then unti wonka nti me made ne day unso no yes na so be musician. But
so then that means I say or come back or try to do as well as next.
Go back.
Okay.
Now I try. And yes say lockdown poa. Nka no nya na say there.
But about we 1 minute to oba
oh, man won wo na fa man fa no. O ko we there dey. Yes.
Oh man.
Man won wo na say we ya metumi me bia me stand na ma me no wakotron wa hwe no. Bogwa na ma ba be medjuma
na auditre abusu enu anu.
But sweat room on so the person be you ba na to
oh, and the day o chinu mutan obeba.
But say you be need you be say fire so.
So from anu fa no kan want.
Yeah, we turn our wife on tia.
Oh my goodness. Now enti wa sha say church on ne kasa no so nkakra dey.
Ne dey nkakra and you no go tin pon na ne family about den me be si bia say bushia.
Enti say enchia dey and say yes simple. Enti no kan say
oh good morning miss good morning. Good morning miss good morning. And Alice good miss Etiseng. Alice class yeah. Ninia na what's me rap for Messi sa na za meka sa nimpo yes won sa metons nimpo ye na mere ma rap bobo yazi edin na fi me the farm say Alice good catch the stick pede
oh yeah they
walk out I want to say Chinese kasano
busy ebenaso yeah fancy da foforo kwan ba mu anamasa ba be sran bi why so Mrs. Samoa thank you so much for coming some other time when you have some free time to spare you can still pass by for us to have some short discussions all right okay
big Jerry
and I'm so faso and chia Mrs. Tana
minim so be kan sem bia
and me the stories ni go share free mama send the patapenti me the stories ni be by mantimi anya patapa by enti what else enti me the share free mama Monday
okay all right okay that's it yeah the asada be my pro sponsors no na fi ya so na you are the aka no amam on the other side na ye koye ni mu no asada edi on ye fama bet borrow the edu 14 te ho we enei abade amagana for say munidi bet borrow and the new sports betting arena with live betting for all sports events, casino, games near day from around the world. Bet borrow Ghana and Mawakonya unya best odds and then office. Na nini na mu when ya kwenya say obetimi secure win is nina before the final whistle was a cash out option at HD. Bet borrow Ghana and so up to 400 cedis in free bets. So just go and visit betboro.com.gh/promotions. Now wait me more amazing offers. Sport is our passion. Betting is our sport. Please, oh yeah, now I am responsibly. Undi 18 years and say so don't just our bet team ebi. Royal drinks or say you go like come. And they your royal apple, royal cola, royal orange, and a royal cocktail. Ni na muda kama pa ya kan for their mobile anti PBH kwan na also etutubi. When ni ebeji hu ye pa. Open the door pa 0262 351 251 afi 0272 133 373 afi yan fast dama Nokia. And they got the Nokia 1.3, Nokia 2.4, you want a 32 gig of you want a 64 gig and so come home. Now nina amount more megapixels, not just beautiful pictures and videos, and long lasting batteries, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other apps, no, perfectly well. Benya biato phone shops are holding across the country. We do any trim Georgia phones or don't traffic lighter. Mrs. Obin best sort you, Ubenya be or kama pa Nokia. It just keeps getting better. And no, and chichim kakra. Yeah, and no. After year twice, I quit him. Go TV. Eddie Abba say, Yemfa and to him. Say, and our special offer, our day more from now on to the 31st of March 2021. Nina and say, and they shim kakra, but the way I research, now researching the say, the money you spend staying out late with your boys can give you 720 hours of unending entertainment with your family for a month. It means says canon for boys in Tatra Bonti say cry Ariaba. Says you can for pure go TV. Money TV news won't touch a few more. Why? We are talking about mouth-watering local dramas on Rock GH, African Magic. Now face spicy hot telenovelas just a fresh from Star Life Nina Edraguna for international series Nina no yeah train Eddie Amawo now face no a banner say sports channels ahodo you train your magum competitions ahodo pa ni games ahodo Nina now face non-stop action blockbuster movies in the kenkan number friends so no team says sweetest kiddies shows ahodo Nina for the little ones. So now that you know say ubetimi ediskaka krabia nyasa entertainment PD na so call for a Go TV Max what I say when you fantastic entertainment na what you akitu be and so now what me I enjoy so go get your Go TV Max for a discounted price of 60 cedis per now what me enjoyment that lasts longer. Bet me are connected via my Go TV app and now pay by the agent BR or be on yes I send the SMS call 1731 now you sort you Go TV love it you don't want to say or more ekremu and my yitimi a day irrigated sports a bro Adom 106.3 FM Ghana's #1 radio station na ye twaso akoye nimu no ene ye be kai wo se akonya naba se obetimi pre-order the new Samsung Galaxy S21 na wetimi enya achede akonya no wo ha akopem the 5th of February 2021 etimi ka say pre-order no eguso ya amanfo eguso a den and you can say say when you pre-order for the new Samsung Galaxy S21 now, Obeba be part of the first people on benya a feel of this amazing phone. And sana later abibuso. No. O watch there. So betimenya free phone cover, Galaxy Bad Pro or Live, a Galaxy Smart Tag, and so much more. Nina betimia or they are redeemable on Samsung members. What I say? It's carnation also. We your Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and now say S21 Ultra. The onsabe can be emuye built to embrace the future with 5G and revolutionizes photography with up to 108 megapixels of super high resolution camera. sa phone we camera no phone bi ade mbi enyamba enuru sa level we. So pre-order yours now. Ewo Samsung na authorized Samsung retailer bia ben wo na sa free BC account win na wetimi enya bi. Sa the copy the 5th of February. Terms and conditions apply. Right. You better also na etwa hotel na fie ba de akani na ne de aso ogusutie 106.3 FM. Gifty Ando United States of America, Chicago, say catch patapa say hey my son love his music so much. I said, boss, I thank God for adding another year to my life. From Nana Irinchi the first Mampon Ekrapima Pasima Kahine. Any Nana Onkwasu Nana Yama Utinkwa Nana Yamwa. Happy birthday to you. Nyame Unshao. Na yemfie no so na yenhwe wi wahana fi yenko yenim. Happy birthday to my mom Lydia Isampon Kwashi, chorister at Bethlehem Methodist Church, Gulf City, Tema. It's an honor to have you as a mother. May the good Lord bring you more blessings and also age with ease. From Adrina Kwashi, your husband, your kids, your granddaughter, and the entire family, wishing you a happy birthday. Lydia Isampon Kwashi. Oh yeah. Papani. Oh, Osophagus. Okay, we there me say emuda untima me hwese metimi akan we a. I say happy birthday. This is from Samuel Hilda Albert. No, this is from Samuel, Hilda, Albert, Dinah, and Henry Osophagus to their brother, Reverend Maxwell Seth Harden, who celebrates his birthday today, the 4th of February. As you telegmize your birthday today, may superb, sumptuous, sensational, sublimes, Stanley, sacrosanct, stupendous, serene, and so far go say why? Simply put, happy birthday. Why? Ade, bonne bera why? To be reading all these. Okay. Adom.
Boss.
Bibi aboko there. And I said, yeah, no, you're monitor.
Sanity.
Na yanko yenim na yenhwe de ho ene kra na be yanka KNG ho no yen hyase yemfa free ho no yemfa nsane sharp na yentimi
made us wakwenya de amame ye de kan ye de chance from kon e be free time heba center for ya so ye e de abre Adom FM etiefo ne adofo nyina ene nso yasan so ehia na ehia sensu dia na ese hu se e apomuden komo na fese akoyi ni pay yentimi apomuden ne ento nchen eno ntino se de chese bra Jerry e kan no ye start Africa NG heba capsules na before se e be start no je number no e bia otikam enche ubesi for na se wo ya de bi na ubehia number no se de be ya brain da je be ma obetumi afren na woni edi ensa wo so ye number ne 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 ubetumi afresi me pacho yen starting free K engine herbal capsules ye ka K engine herbal capsules a edro eboa ni pedua ni ye papa ye ka se eboa ni pedua na ye boa white blood cells no ye ka white blood cells me pacho yakwa ni pei omo ni soldiers for mu ni pedua no omo boa nse de be yare emekan ento ho ti se yare kodi we kwa na ekosro ama ne honme so na se wa nhwe no wa moa uni pedua no wa mpeke engine herbal capsules bi ano maka hu se immune system ni ye weak pe yare bi atumi nya kwan ewura ni pedua nim etumi ebe count wo me pacho entnase ema yare enkan ento office obi benya wa na efi yare ama me ne wan se fi yare me pacho sisi a wo apomuden enioma ekosen na betena sama yare akan ato eno ntine esi day in and day out oboru mo drugstore Lances chemical shop pharmacy shop bia won sabeka K engine herbal capsules eba immune system ne ebe strong enkwamo no ho be den na yare entumi enkan ento wo ne enyarewa ebedi esie na chese oni adofo oni ombeto nkwantan so apai mo me hwe sebse
same period so go or yare friend pressure na pressure me patro yare pressure na so kwaya sabia na mo aduro say na say immune system ni weaker she no say pressure ntumi emma from the biada eno nti obi wo nam so yare pressure nti kwaya sabia ko cheki the pressure na still na was rodent ya enam say immune system I weak nti no nyadofo day and day out bia kwa na ebe kosoro na abra bobo KNG herbal capsules no okọ ayasabiem ko biem ko check up doctor na bebusa say ne dro ben na onom ka pressure aduro no ho no ache ne say KNG herbal capsules fi say beboa wo ebe pressure no abafom ebe boa mo immune system ache say ejina brane na abra immune system ejina brane ache say ne honam eye den no ebe boa ma nyoma nura wo no nom anasempa na ma utu no edi yede abawafa hyenso am say epo hwe eda hotetrete na nso ntumi fa kete ensa so ena so de ntem bube ene say no ni de bebre na aba me pacho hye nso na wan kutwa wrong meat wan hwa na ye de mfofia da na kwaye me pacho wo pedu papa ebe boa wo ebe siesie ni pedua no ebe ma immune system I strong dia eye KNG herbal capsules KNG herbal capsules mansa enkabi me pacho bra wo no mbiri wa bo nsentwene anase nyoma ebe free ni pedua no apie honam ebe ye odin yare entumi enka wonto me pacho hye nso say o mai mu asenke ni police fo ni ni soldiers fo a gani obi kra betima bowra ofiem no wasi wasum na okọ obi betima ye de opebia nanso enam say o police nso yes fo a bibia ni o betumi abam no mababo ani ti no ama che se nyoma bi so atete sapepepe na ni pedua no etie se wa moa oni pedua no wa nwene wapomuden ho a bibia betumi asi wo wakwam entena sma yare enkan ento ye di edupa no aba ye time herbal center fo me pacho ye na di edupa no aba ye ka edupa so de ye de obo adensa no nubuna hama enuahin enutane ene ye de KNG herbal capsules ni ye ka ayaresa wo onyankopon ho na ode adua KNG herbal capsules mu to bibia onum bibia di ho adanse se draw we de menhia uhyia abofra kwa na so pedra ebe support immune system a obeka je se oni akoto KNG herbal capsules fi se ebeboa mema ni bebre na se period asa enam se immune system I weak ntino obon se day in day out nsansan begu ni bema no na sansan rashes imini abema tia wutini na no na edidi ko ni pedua ni no amanioma to chima bema bi wa chese nsansan begu ya wampe emu ntino amana nse odwunso otenka se ne bema ehihye no ne bema eye ne ya obi adwunso ne mu apai mienu no kwane ne ni agye so be wontafo me pacho da bi eye ohaw na aba so mansa enka KNG herbal capsules abra ebo wa support immune system no na esanso ayi nkeka wa nyina afi ho ama o mema sem akonkan me nua be ma wutie me se wanhwe na edurumre bi doctor Ed Rubber eto be mema mebusa se edu sam pempenso na adwuma ben na betumi aye emema adwuma ne frɛ kra obedwane agya ho me pacho sisi na rubber ena be mem no wagudie mana sempo no wa ho keka etese ne de rubber ebeto be mem ntena se mansa enka KNG herbal capsules se impo dwonso na mugye edi akire obemam hihye obemam yo ya na sensansa na begu obema ho de a eye KNG herbal capsules oyo ba pampan abeji wa himfi aboso na emani pina wabu ni nsa awie ne ho na pampan ne estati se kase oba bi ye oba sima me pacho hye nso se nya wa ho ofa nya makeup bia wa ye nemum eya himfi ho tisiesie wa himfi mini aba fa ho gya de ma bema eni enka bema ba wonche meni ninje se wa ba wonchen oba bi a chese oye oba sima bia na himfi ho ekonkan mpacho hye nso oye oba se usiesie himfi ho ye ho na bema ba wonche eni je bi ohia bia ne nsa ebeka eni ti oba bi a wutie mi ena enwumre bia ma nsa enka KNG herbal capsules na emu a we be mo ye oba sima ahimfi ho beche ho be kuma na da ohene ne beba no eseweni upam no kura onko yenko drug stores license chemical shop pharmacy shop yensa ebeka bi me sounds the number no atudwa biem 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 awofo no me pacho ye ko akosere manum e wo school ma me sere mo ada say ye toto nuane ato drinks no ne ato KNG herbal capsules e de bi aka ho ye kwa ye de bi amomamom so matuma agbogbo bi se de ba yare kode we omo nkofa bi mfiri omo na hofo nchen na omo mfa emafie ti abra ye no num KNG herbal capsules ne the time herbal mission so aka officer no so be boa wo atu malaria se papa e de ama ho empempi na nipa bi ti malaria ase no wabu nani aguso ohun se enye yare bia me pacho se uyo bi asebsen period out tesua de agbon se malaria kum ni papa ye hwe ye 2019 nipa ewui ye World Health Organization hwehwe mo ye that's 30th of November 2020 year ye nya nipa 409,000 a malaria ekum ne kase ye break ni down na se day bia nipa na mu ye 1112 me pacho me busa se yare be ne kum nipa esei entena sama malaria enkan ento ho anase edurumra ye be kan o malaria ekum a me pacho emye enkan odofo bi obabi anase wa mu enkan ho eba na sape na se de wa ye so brache no open malaria dure betu malaria na ase dia eye time herbal mixture me patcho hye nso ukọ na ukọ time herbal mixture for aduro di nko gina nko ye amienyi adufofo emfa ma wan hwe no adofo yare no bitimi atena so adunya obi ko kompa malaria eba no so wo hu se malaria na aba no so no me patcho se wutie me ewu ma otin ka se wuti edwawo anase impo no honam eyomre wa poso no poso eyoya okọ kete so wuntumi ena obi kwa nanum ato ntumi endidi me patcho sa nyoma mabubo so nyina hu se bia start eden dipe ese hu se symptoms of malaria ma unsa enka time herbal mixture awofo no ye ma no modi from 12 years go in me patcho ye mo mbubo bi na omo ho ensisi omo so fi se wabofra no chese ne yiedie anase mpo na pomodin egina wo chese awofo no ensa ye mo na emofra no ho enye din entrance ma wabofra no yare enka no ento fi se ebasa sika waboaboa no anka de be japade ye wo de babu abusua no wanhwa no akosie no nyina wo ayarsabia. Prevention is always better than cure me patcho hye nso ebia na onua bi ho ekire no nwa bi yare eda ho na wo chese waka otrima anase mpo no wahia se chese wo kwa akosra no atoto ne oma akoma no to time herbal mixture efa kan bi fa koma no na ono no na ensiesie no we se mpanifo se hwemachima me na mindi bi enu nti na atwe mienu enam enti obo onua na se ne ho eto na ono so beda wase yi enti abra wo kwa akosra na wato time herbal mixture de akoche no na otimi abobo me patcho duro bi a time herbal mixture duro bi a awofo no mofra no ena se busuamu ni na se ye kase ye agi ato ho ana se ye gibi esi ho ano no mama na sisi ni pedua na onuadofo ebebo yi then in day out be sisi ni pedua no moja ne bedi efusa ne kama malaria parasite ne be no pedua ni pe omde di ko moja ni na bra maba moja ni no onuadofo ho no mokwa ko se liver na bra ma se liver na wie no na afido mo didi akọ red blood cells ni me patcho so mo se red blood cells ni so wie pe na kan hu se wapomden na aba form eni kwase ye tena se ema malaria ekuyen eni kwase ye tena se ma malaria ekan ye to abra ebibidro papa ho a itu ase time herbal mixture se time ebre no eni enu to ene ya wutie ya me patcho bre no aso to anamane ko drug store license chemical shop pharmacy shop bia bia kwa so to time herbal mixture busuan enchemfa emofra no modi from 12 years going yemu bobi awofo no so yemu bobi na ensiesie ni pedua no entena se ma yare ne emma nsa na me patcho watu hu anamo wanhwa yare na da be ma ne homle so no na enuoma akachi na enuoma ayekese e de ama anhwa obetena sidi akase ye mi hu yanka me patcho the word mi hu yanka no ebedu sampempese na enuoma akachi nti enka bi de biada boni pedua no bansisi ni pedua no ebusuan enchemfa uyo bia wutie mu na mawia so ben eja ho day in day out me patcho mansa enka time herbal mixture utia airpa ho na ma ye omre wa poso eye oya wonu ma to wuntumi enidie okokata so na se wuntumi na pe eye symptoms of malaria esa mansa ka time herbal mixture time herbal mixture yemu bobi yenunum bi na ensiesie ni pedua no na me betena sise na se me kasese a eye omo mutiem na mama ni gye fise minim se mo wapomuden so obi a woni apomuden na otise enwom ebokra na eye na sum dede me pachi ensiesie ni pedua no me enya apomuden na abra yenunum time herbal mixture dike enje herbal air capsules ka ho no ye na nyarewa ebeto nkwanta ne apai ye number betumi enye yo so ne 0244 417 669 0244 417 na me patch sisi a opebi atoko drug store license chemical shop pharmacy shop bia onsa ebeka bi yemobo bi yenunum bi na ensiesie ye hyembo se da se ne ye besanso ne mo ahia yakra mo
ye beda ase adom na fi nyame adom next week ahwede ho quickly Linda Ifa Osibraje, my mom's birthday is also on the 6th of February, so please leave some of the cake for her. Cake there. Okay. Josephine Sewaba was a happy birthday to Dr. John Ahenkra of Kolibu Teaching Hospital. God bless you. Jerry, I'm watching you live from Leicester in the UK. And Cool Vegas. Nana Efia Kwatima. Also, please wish my daughter a happy birthday for me. She was 8 yesterday. Her name is Theophilia Akosia Boache. And tell her mom and dad love her so much. And may God bless her. And read it. And read it. Because this is the second time I am sending it to you guys. I've read it. Why? Okay, so yeah, try to so.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
You be Go TV Lite, Value or Plus subscriber? Time it rule, so be unlock it to me with TV no more. Upgrade the Go TV Max in the year. Nenyano at a discounted price, 60 Ghana CDC pay. You will enjoy over 50 local and international channels for less. No darling cry. Local series, telenovelas, blockbusters, sports, any kids channels for baby. Make you stay connected via my Go TV app and any pay-by-the agent near you. Now enjoy maximum entertainment for Go TV Max for less. Offer day from 14th January to 31st March 2021. T&C supply. Go TV. Love it.
Nokia smartphones are banana. Obia guso kanwasem. Nokia new Android smartphones email more megapixels, more memory, and more capture pictures. Ni videos pop baby. Phones here fast. So browse, woko Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and I will streaming video. Umi aswa nedem. Nokia batteries here. We are singing a D1 dance you. What charge ya? A Jiraso and say Jiraso. Okay, when you budget new Nokia Android smartphones in Opa. Enter your Nokia 3.4 with 64 gig memory. And our Nokia 2.4. They were 32 gig memory. And our 64 gig memory. Nokia 2.4 was 30 megapixel back camera. Then 5 megapixel front camera. It was 4,500 milliamps battery. 6.5 inch screen. And was Android 10. What did we upgrade it called Android 11? To Nokia phone ya was full show BI bell.
Safia train one train be biakra. And they say, and so jaja home. I feel way dear. Ampaya ebeja. Yolo.
Adipadi ewo homo biao. Intima Samsung Galaxy A12. There were 5,000 mAh battery a bridgema de moon na. Network cameras baku 9. Na main camera no eye 48 megapixels. 6.5 inch HD plus screen go yi. Nini ekika ho bebre no ma won danso. Ubetimi ato Samsung Galaxy A12. There was 64 gigabytes internal memory. A 899 CDC pair. And then 128 gigabyte internal memory. A 999 Ghana cedis.
What's the video call data now?
Cause Samsung shop will be a bell one with Samsung Galaxy A12. A ya fefofro. Enti Galaxy fofro. Eshi shaka kao home.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was sending mobile money. See me with our cash card. Charges some 380 cedis. We send this can kwa charges no. Wait there submit 10 bucks so. Me niati. Se we be move work of Vodafone cash and ka we be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. I say me network need there. Tie. We send this ka was our network no so no. Yet we send this ka free with network no so akwa network foforo no. Eno so yet na emum tie asem de pa. We send this ka with Vodafone cash swap. Are you free? What's send this free? Vodafone cash. I got network BR swap. And so you free. Masa into work catch them. What that's so you then was sour network and no move for bra Vodafone cash says yeah. Hey masa you chip not to ball musisi. I know say dear. What's send this Vodafone cash so I got network BR swap. Are you free? Send this do BR and prend do BR con network BR so free. Dial *110# says yeah in a send this.
The future is exciting. Ready?
Yentie nneɛma ahodoɔ bi a awofoɔ no ɛbɛyɛ sabre yi a wɔmɔfra ekoskui ye wo fie yi ye ne nkro no eni nkɔmɔ ɛmfamfasodeɛ ɛwɔ nose mask ne hyɛ ho wɔmɔ kosku no ye wo fie yi nso brano no ye man kwada no ɛnhyɛ nose mask no na awofoɔ no ɛnhwɛ ne wɔmɔ nkasa yentie a sesia yi de ho hia sɛ wo pie frifie akosku a wo hyɛ wo nose mask yenkyerɛ mɔfra no kwan a ye fa so hyɛ no ɛne kwan a ye fa so eyi no medin de afia amankwa tamaklo medase Crowd Sway, Adom 106.3, and a day bro.
Safia train one train be biakra. And they say, and so down home. I feel way dear, Ampaya Ebeja, Yolo.
Adipodie, ewo homo biao. Intima Samsung Galaxy A12. There were 5,000 mAh battery a budjuma de moon na. Ne wo cameras baku 9. Na main camera no eye 48 megapixels. 6.5-inch HD plus screen go yi. Nini ekika ho bebre no ma won danso. Ubetimi ato Samsung Galaxy A12. There was 64 gigabytes internal memory. Eye 899 cedis per. Anani 128 gigabyte internal memory. Eye 999 Ghana cedis.
What's the video call data now?
Cause Samsung shop be a bell one akwaje with Samsung Galaxy A12. Eye afefofro enti Galaxy fofro. Esi share kakra wo ho.
Kwem Ghana nyumni nyina hade ne boss
Ofie Kwanso
Jerry Justice on Adom FM 106.3.
Music at the back is coming from Mona for real. Yeah, Hajia for real. Fine girl. Tenants na why impregnate ne landlord ne wife and ne bana abom no. And some oh Debbie asembua unti atimi wa obi onu akọ hide dan of your tenant no ni fiera ne no wanyem no asa anyem efiera ne ba kan at the same time akwa what mama na furu bonanim pampe ne ba no so de bonanim pampe one man tell you say champion tafa oh Debbie oh no.
Fine girl, come from Ghana. Oh baby, fine girl, come from Ghana.
I remember I used to call you.
Say what?
Again in the late nights.
Haba.
I used to be a good girl.
Hey.
But everything
Hey. Hey.
I feel me from
Hey.
this time when the boy be wa back up. Hey, baby girl. Cause I need work and mommy.
I'm a tonight I can tell you something. Don't rush, baby, take your time.
All I want was to give you love. All I want was to make you smile.
You were the sweetest girl, and now you don't dangerous. Now you change so serious way.
Me say I feel once, son. You rush you, baby girl, dance, son. Rush you, baby girl, dance, son. You rush you, you the big man, shiver. Yeah, I know it's son. You rush you, baby girl, dance, son. Rush you, baby girl, dance, son. You rush you, baby girl, dance, son. Me say, whoa. Why you don't do me like that? Why you don't do me like that? Why you don't do me like that? Tell me something. Don't rush, baby, take your time. I want to live up. I want to live this way. You're the sweetest girl, and I know dangerous. I ain't just so serious. They say I feel once, to bless you. You can't mess with you.
Papa, see, I no one depend on anyone. I won't make money on my own. See, my hard work alone, make it a bless my heart to Papa. Some people go slave, go fraud, but no one do none of the above. Oh, my music is all I do, so bless me with hit upon hit. Some people go steal, others go depend on the man for their success. So, but my trust is in you, make it a bless my heart to Papa. We the hustle for that paper. Money don't come in later. Hustle for the paper, CD and dollars. Mama no born a fool. It no be money don't come in later. Money's the root of evil, but poverty never go be optional. As I dey work for money, make money alone go be my portion. We go there wanna grind with the hustle, go pay, we go count the money. Somebody go tell mommy, make she no cry, make she smile for me. Yeah, I gon' make am proud, I gon' make she go drive for the ring and the bend. So all I need be the strength. So make Baba God go add me some sense. I said I gon' make am proud, I gon' make she go drive for the ring and the bend. So all I need be the strength. So make Baba God go add me some sense. So hustle for the paper, CD and dollars. Mama no born a lose, she no be money that come in later. Hustle for the paper, CD and dollars. Mama no born a fool, it no be money that come in later.
So when you see me, Ofie Kwanso, with the man, Jerry Jackson, on Adom 106.3 FM. When you see me talking about the South Cast, I will see my eyes and see my brother. No, they change them for me. Cause person we don't suffer, suppose get sense. As you they walk out, then you suppose you sense. If them close all the gates, you suppose your fence. Cause person we don't suffer, suppose get sense. As you they walk out, then you suppose you sense. If them close all the gates, you suppose your fence. Thank God I don't look like what I've been through. Them they won't give me things I don't go fish you. But Baba God he put down everyone.
We the hustle for that paper,
CD and dollars. Vacho, mama remind you BM say a Skillbrit Parlor, a unisex salon. Now I'm a professional barber and a nail technician. Now I'm on my Juma. Now me pacho location a Mataheko. Inti you are qualifier now when you join so bit me a bit take his position we know. So you be out there around down some man in important so say by traffic somewhere how now bit me a bit Juma at the right time. What I say, it is a opesa by a nail technician and I say a professional barber away a Skillbrit Parlor. No, more than answer by phrase 0243 115 109 and our fee 0248 224 146. Good evening, and come on, Nanaya or DVLA head office at saying, Michelle, when you may, I hope say BBI cool, yeah. CD and dollar.
Cause we don't suffer, suppose get sense.
Oh man.
Suppose you sense. Suppose your thank God I don't look like what I've been through. Them me won't give me things I don't go fish you.
Nah, mama me bought me girlfriend in New Kakana. Metin and Catcher. Emilia Broby. Odoletric. Fusion Wendy Shay. Mema Odoletric no enki kimukakra anyway. You know what I'm saying?
The more me I try, I get surprised. So I said to myself, loving wasn't meant for me.
That's right.
Came my way.
Odoletric.
Off my feet.
Odoletric.
Baby, oh my baby, I'm falling for you, my baby.
Ofie Kwanso, Ofie Kwanso, with the beat, Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Adom FM.